Good morning. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutlaw.com, and this is my pre-market game plan for the major future indices, gold and oil, for Tuesday, November 1st. It is 9:27 a.m. Eastern Time, and we're literally 2 to 3 minutes away from the New York Open. Um, we had a really nice move last night in YM higher, as in all these indices, and we managed to break slightly higher, break yesterday's New York trading session, made a new high for this week, and we quickly came back down after 3 a.m., after the London Open. So we're pretty much basing into the 18080 area, and what I'm looking for is for this area to stabilize at the open. So this is going to be my trampoline for a potential long. 18080, I'm going to look for a possible buy into 18090. And I'm going to look for a target into 18100 and 18120. This is all for today for YM. And if we break below, not interested. And I'm going to wait for the full retracement. If we're going to get a full retracement into support area and revisiting yesterday's lows, I'm going to look for another long into the 18060 area. And my targets are going to be, in this case, 80, 90, 100, and 120. These are going to be the targets. So as long as we stabilize in this area, I'm going to look for a quick scalp to the upside, but that's going to be it. For ES, ES same as YM, stabilizing at 2120 into prior support area, and I'm going to look to go long only if it breaks 2126. If it breaks 2126, and we're open. If it breaks 2126, I'm going to look for further continuation into 2130. Let's move to NQ. And remember, I'm not doing anything in the first 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm just going to sit tight. Same projection to the upside in extended hours, and the Asian session coming back down, London session, and price stabilizing for the last 4 to 5 hours at 4,800. This can potentially be a buy zone, potential stop area. You're going to be 5-point stop area, and I'm going to look for targets into 4815. Nonetheless, not a great risk to reward ratio trade. And we're going to look for further continuation to 4820 and 4828. Actually, I do like NQ a lot here. GC, loving it. GC, okay, loving GC. And we talked about GC for how long? Okay, so a very long period of time. It was basing right around in this area when I called this long for a swing trade, and my target is not far away, 1300. It made a high today of 1290, 10 points away from my target. Looking good. Actually, it's basing pretty strongly right now on the 2-minute chart, and support 1288 and resistance 1290. So you could take a long over 1290 with a stop below 1288. So it does look good. And last but not least, CL. CL has retraced into a minor support area on the daily chart, as you can see right here, and it is bouncing higher. I see it higher for today. Smaller time frame. If it breaks 4730, I'm gonna look to go long. It's gonna be part of a break of this potential, and it can be the end of this downtrend on these time frames here, small time frames. So look for a break of 4730. If we break 4730, we're going to go to 4740, 60. These are going to be the areas all the way to $48 and $48.20. These are going to be my targets for today if we're going to head higher. But so far, price is stabilizing with support 47 and resistance 47.30. So I'm gonna look to, it's really trying very, very hard to hold these support areas. This was all for today. Hope you all have a very profitable day, and also pay very close attention. The market is very, very whippy. If you're a beginner trader, I would stay away and just watch the market. Don't trade your real account, because it's very, very tricky. Other than that, remember that we have an upcoming class November 12th. So if you want to learn my strategy, you can search for more details on our website at tradeoutloud.com/futures, or email me at info@tradeoutloud.com to hear more about our upcoming course. That is a 7-day power income day trading and swing trading course. Starts November 12th and ends on November 18th. We're going to have a 5-day trading lab and 2-day comprehensive education from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks so much for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.